Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to see the difference between find and search options. Though it looks like similar, but each and every function which is find and search have its own advantages and disadvantages. That is what we are going to discuss in this video clearly. Please watch this video without skipping so that you will not miss any piece of information about these find and search option. Let's begin the session for the day. So here I have taken a name which is Tony Stark. Since I am a big fan of Tony Stark, I am taking it as an example, and I am going to use the find option equal to find text. Which text I want to find? I want to find it ON by ONI, and within the text, which text I want to find here. Start number, let's say I just want to start, it's an optional one, so I am not giving anything over here. I am just closing the bracket and hit enter. I am getting the value error. Okay, but if I am giving it with the same one, right, with the search option, search, again I want to find ONY, comma, within the text is Tony Stark, closing the bracket, hit enter. So this ONY is starting at number 2. This O is starting at number 2. So which means ideally my find is a case sensitive one, but not the search one. Let's try the second option, which is without any caps, which is as it is in the name, right, equal to find text is this ONI, and within the text is Tony Stark, close the bracket and hit enter. The 2, which is the same result which is we are having getting it over there, and I am going to give it in the search as well. So here you can see I am getting the same result even though if I am changing it in caps or small, right. Suppose if I change it to TO as a caps, what is going to happen? In find, the result become vice versa, which is my second row becomes I getting the value and the third row becomes the value error. So this is the first and major difference where find option is the case sensitive. Here you can see in the find, if I say select, returns the starting portion of the one text within the other text, but find is a case sensitive, which is it is ideally a case sensitive one. But if I do it the same for search, right, equal to search, it is prolonging, just it says returns the number of character with a specific text string, and this is not a case sensitive. So this is the first and major difference between find and search. Which we are going to see is the wildcard character. So what is this wildcard character? Wildcard character is nothing but you can change any of your wildcard character or enter any of your value instead of a sentence or a letter to find the text, right. So I am going to do it again with this find option. Find this Stark in Tony Stark, and you can see my value is starting at 6, right. Okay, the same I am going to check it with the search option also. Again Stark with Tony Stark. So again we got the same result. But what will happen if you want to find anything related to with a wildcard character? So we are getting the error of value. Let's say what research is going to give to us. We are getting the value of where this value of Stark is getting started. So this is the major difference. This is the second major difference in between find and search function. To know more about what are the wildcard characters and what are the wildcard symbols used in combination of text, those things we are providing it in our blog page. You can visit our blog page and read to understand what is the wildcard characters, which is question mark, asterisk, or backward slash symbol, where it is used to find, and what are the characteristics for each and every wildcard characteristics. So here we have found, in a summarize this today's session, we have found two major difference. One is our case sensitive difference between find and search. The second one is the searching a text or finding a text using wildcard characteristics. Hope this video is clear. If you have any doubt in this session, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you and have a great day ahead.